We're almost there. It's eerily quiet out here. I haven't seen a single sign or wildlife.
I agree. It feels like we're the only ones out here.
Our signal is getting weaker. I can't make voice calls, but I think I can still send a text message to Dove.
Good idea. Let her know where we are before we go any further.
Yes, sir? Okay, Dove has marked our location. If she doesn't hear from us in an hour, she'll send backup.
Sounds good. Let's keep moving. Is this the spot?
Yes, but there's nothing left.
Whoever was here, they torched the place.
Nothing but ashes.
Well, it looks like our mission is complete. Let's head back.
And the adventure continues. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button if you liked this video. Consider subscribing if you are not already. Share this video if you know someone who would enjoy it. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.